Here's something strange about money. The less money you have, the more expensive life becomes. It sounds backwards, but it happens every day. Imagine two people whose phone suddenly breaks. Person A has savings. They walk into a store, pay $300, and the problem is solved. But person B has no savings. So instead of paying up front, they buy the same phone using credit or installment payments. At first, it feels manageable. But after interest and fees, that $300 phone might actually cost $380 or even $450. Same phone, different financial situation. Economists sometimes call this the poverty premium. When money is tight, people often have to borrow with high interest, buy cheaper products that break faster, pay late fees, or miss opportunities to invest their money. These small disadvantages slowly build up over time. This is why wealth building isn't only about earning more money. It's about creating financial margin, having savings, having options, and having the ability to handle small problems without turning them into expensive ones. Because sometimes the difference between staying stuck and building wealth is simply having the room to make better financial decisions. If you want to learn simple investing strategies, smarter money habits, and long-term wealth building, subscribe to Infinite Wealth Lab.